Imagine waking up every morning with money in your bank account, without doing any extra work. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll show you 4 passive income ideas that can make you money while you sleep. Whether you're a beginner or already making money online, these methods work for anyone. Some require a small investment, while others are completely free to start. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll reveal the most profitable one last. Create and sell an online course. You pick a topic you're good at, create a structured course, and sell it on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Gumroad. People buy the course, and you earn money every time someone enrolls. Monetization strategy. Charge a one-time fee or subscription. Upsell coaching or additional courses. Use social media and YouTube to market your course. Many people make $5,000 to $50,000 per month selling courses. Even a beginner can make $500 to $2,000 a month with proper marketing. Start a YouTube automation channel. What if you could make money on YouTube without showing your face? YouTube automation is all about outsourcing video creation while collecting ad revenue and affiliate commissions. You create faceless videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and engaging scripts. Then, monetize them with ads and sponsorships. Pick a profitable niche: finance, luxury, self-improvement. Write scripts and use AI voiceovers. Edit videos with stock footage and text animations. Upload consistently and optimize for SEO. Monetization strategy: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and brand deals. Many YouTube automation channels make $10,000 plus per month without showing their face. The key is quality, consistency, and SEO. Invest in dividend stocks. What if your money could work for you, instead of the other way around? Dividend investing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. You buy stocks of companies that pay dividends, meaning they pay you regularly just for owning their stock. How to start? Open a brokerage account. For example, Robinhood, E-Trade, or Vanguard. Buy dividend-paying stocks, like Coca-Cola, Apple, or Realty Income. Reinvest dividends to grow your portfolio. Monetization strategy: earn quarterly dividend payments. Reinvest dividends to increase future earnings. Over time, your passive income grows as your investment grows. If you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 5% dividend yield, you'll earn $500 per year in passive income without doing anything. And finally, here's the one you've been waiting for: digital products. How to start? Pick a product idea, like Canva templates, printables, or ebooks. Create it using free tools, like Canva, Photoshop, Google Docs. Sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your website. Monetization strategy: one-time purchases, bundle offers, upsell with coaching or premium versions. People are making $1,000 to $10,000 a month selling simple planners on Etsy. So, which passive income idea do you like the most? Comment below. And if you want a full breakdown of how to start one of these businesses, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.